In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new blank page layout outside of your main navigation lists using Chrome. To begin, open your site in Chrome and navigate to the area where your page layouts are managed. The goal here is to create a very minimal page that sits outside your main navigation, so it won't appear alongside the regular pages visitors use to browse your site. This can be especially useful for internal notices, temporary project updates, or placeholder content that needs to stay separate from the primary user journey. Once you're in the page layout area, create a new blank page layout. Make sure you place it outside of the main navigation lists rather than nesting it inside your standard menu structure. Keeping it separate helps maintain a cleaner navigation experience and prevents this page from showing up in places where it could confuse visitors. After the blank layout has been created, add a headline text block to the page. In that text block, clearly explain the project status parameters. The idea is to make this page instantly understandable at a glance, so use concise wording that communicates what each status means. A strong headline helps establish the purpose of the page right away, which is especially important on a minimal layout where every element should serve a clear function. Next, go to Settings and then open Site Availability. In this section, you'll update the access level for the site. Change the setting from public to password protected. This step is important because it limits access and helps ensure that only approved viewers can see the content while the project is still in progress or not ready for general release. Before saving, take a moment to confirm that the setting has actually changed, since availability controls can affect who is able to access the site immediately. Finally, locate your home layout setting and update its pointer so that it directs to this new minimal layout page row asset item. This tells the site which layout should be used as the main landing experience under the current setup. Be careful to select the correct minimal layout item, especially if there are several similarly named assets in your system. Once that's done, save your changes and test the result in Chrome. Verify that the new layout is loading correctly, that it remains outside the main navigation, and that the site is now password protected. If everything looks right, your setup is complete and ready to use.